Welcome back everyone to another episode at Liquid Memoir. Things are getting spooky out there with Halloween around the corner and the start of the second season of Mandalorian. And what better way to celebrate both with a baby zombie drink. This year, I unfortunately don't have a Halloween costume, but if I was able to pick and choose, it would definitely be a Star Wars character. So, for all of you Star Wars and Mandalorian fans out there, we're sticking here to cocktails from far, far away. This is the way.
Let's make the baby zombie. This drink is a take on the classic zombie, but making it a bit more approachable. This recipe comes from the head bartender of Grand Army Bar in Brooklyn, New York, Robby, aka the Vodka Artist. Go follow him on Instagram. Let's spill this in a shaker. First off, add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Then add 1 dash of absinthe. As for our juices, we're going to use half an ounce or 15 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice and half an ounce or 15 mils of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. Then add half an ounce or 15 mils of passion fruit syrup. To make passion fruit syrup, all you gotta do is take passion fruit puree, let it melt, and add equal parts of simple syrup. Then you're gonna add half an ounce or 15 mils of Housemade Orgeat. Orgeat is an almond syrup. If you can't make it, you may buy it, but I'll leave a recipe in the description. Then add a quarter ounce or 7.5 mils of Housemade cinnamon syrup. This one is pretty simple. I'll leave the recipe below. You still with me? Okay, good. 'Cause it's rum time. First, we're gonna add half an ounce or 15 mils of rum 151. This rum burns, so use this sparingly. Then, you're gonna add 1 ounce or 30 mils of Jamaican Pot Still Rum and 1 ounce of aged rum. Now it's time to get our our chilled glass. Add a bit of crushed ice to your shaker, also add ice to your glass, and whip shake until the ice is fully melted. Once done shaking, add more ice to Baby Yoda. And now is the perfect opportunity to bring out his friends to join us. Garnish responsibly. Using fire in garnishes is extremely dangerous. Do this at your own risk. You've been warned. To do this, get half of a lime that's been juiced, and you're gonna place a small piece of bread. It works best with stale bread. Then slowly and carefully pour 151 rum to the top of a lime. You can fill the lime a bit, but don't spill rum everywhere or everything will catch fire. Make sure you don't have rum on your hands. Just please wash your hands before you light the drink on fire. Optionally, once the fire is going, grate some freshly grated cinnamon or nutmeg on top. It'll react very nicely with the fire. And that's a baby zombie.
Now that's a Halloween drink. First off, please be careful if you're gonna make this drink. I'm not gonna be responsible if you guys light yourself off on fire. Before you do anything with the drink, turn the fire off. Also, if you're gonna place a straw, don't place anything that is plastic next to it. It'll melt it and you'll have a plastic drink. You don't want that. All right, now it's safe to drink. Oh wow, the first sip that I had, the smoke of the fire was still going on. The little bit of grated cinnamon was really going through. This is definitely a more approachable zombie, call it the baby zombie. Has very nice tropical fruit, has that punch of 151, but not overly so. Still say this has a kick to it. Woo, yeah, it definitely has a kick to it. It's very delicious though. This is what makes tiki so unique. Such a culture, and the passion fruit is really tangy. It's really there, but with the help of orgeat and cinnamon, it balances all those flavors. It's a very well balanced baby zombie. I felt like the lime and the fire was like the brain and the force of Baby Yoda. That was kind of cool. Careful even drinking this drink. If you have more than 2 of these, you'll definitely feel it. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and may the force be with you.